Hey Cash, what do we got today?
We got structure building blocks. And look what you can build on. You can build anything you want to.
Let's open it up, dude.
Oh, instructions!
Oh, gotta have the instructions.
And that's everything!
There's so many things we can build.
I know!
What should we build first?
An airplane!
All right, let's do this one. Look, I got the plane done. Ready for takeoff.
Oh no, the structure fell down!
Landing! Boom! Look at it go! Oh, and it crashed. Goodbye, plane. Look at the truck we built.
Oh yeah!
Boop. Oh, it's a flying truck?
These are wings!
Oh, you added wings? So now it can fly.
Upside down. Landed on the ground. Watch this. This is gonna be super duper fast.
All right, let's see it.
And back it goes.
Land. No! We get to build a helicopter next. Oh, destruction! Bye-bye, truck. Onto the helicopter. Cash, look at this helicopter! Fly, helicopter, fly! What's cooler, the airplane or the helicopter?
The helicopter.
The helicopter, I like it too.
In my car.
Whoa, what did you build over here?
It's a flying car.
Wow!
If the power spins, that means it's a flying car. If the power doesn't spin, that means it's not a flying car.
Oh, is that how it works?
Yep, so the power spins.
That is one cool car, dude. Nose dive! Bam!
Ow.
It's out of control! Where's it going? No! Now we're gonna build this guy right here. Look at this guy I built.
It's not cool.
What are you talking about? He is so cool. I'm so powerful and mighty. I am so much stronger than you are.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. No! How fast can that car go? Let's see it. Ooh, that was a good one. Did you build a racetrack?
Yep.
What did you build here?
I built a flying car. And look at this door at the back. You can
Let me
pick
see.
stepping in there.
Oh, cool. Oh, it goes all the way through.
Yep.
Wow.
And look at this.
Looks like a ladder.
And now it's gonna fly off. Oh no, the door's opening.
Oh, don't let it fall out.
Oh.
Oh, there it goes. Ooh. Great job, man.